Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KIDSYDBEATZ. So today we're gonna focus on mastering using EQ in a fruity multiband compressor, and we're gonna use the preset that we found on those two plugins. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Let's listen to the song that we're gonna master.
Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Satani, Sogandelani.
Yeah, so if you're looking for this beat, I will leave a link in the description, and the vocals are already mixed and they are level with the beat, and I just consolidated the vocals. So now we begin. We're gonna go to our master channel and then we're gonna load in EQ here, and we're gonna go to the presets. So we're gonna pick this preset here, that's a 40 Hz plus 18 kilohertz cut, and then this is what it must look like. And when we're gonna play with this, yeah, and then after the EQ we're gonna go to the fruity multiband compressor, and then we're gonna go to the preset, and then we have two presets that we can use, so you can pick either of them, there's no problem. So we just pick the 2.4 dB. Let's listen to the vocal. Yeah, and then what you can do after that, you can play with this master volume here or the gain. You can play with this until you feel like let me go to the playlist here.
Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Sogandelani, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Gifunindella, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Sogandelani, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma.
Yeah, so if you want, you can add soft clipper here. You can add a soft clipper, or you can
Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Sogandelani, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Gifunindella, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma, Sogandelani, Puma, Puma Satani, Puma. You know I'm a hustler, I do whatever it takes.
Yeah, so that's it for today's video. It's a very short video today because we only use the presets. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment on the comment section below, and thank you for your support. Peace.
Satani, Sogandelani, Gifunindella, wanna chase my dreams. Satani, Sogandelani, Indlela wanna chase my dreams. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma. Puma, Puma Satani, Puma. Aho, aho. Aho, aho. Aho, aho. Aho, aho. You know I'm a hustler, I do whatever it takes. You know I'm a lover, I give you love and you hate me. I'm in a rush, you know I'm made of a patience. I'm in a race, I get whatever I want. Whatever you want, what really is it that you want? I want a paper, I want a piece and leave me alone. In there.